nothing. It's a desperate situation. No telling what you do. If I don't forgive you, you say your life is through. Come on, give me something I can use. Might give a damn bastard. Well, I really wanna care. I wanna feel something. Let me dig a little deeper. Nah, man, sorry. Just nothing. We've really done it this time. Give a damn's busted. I've been telling my dreams to the scarecrow about the places that I like to see. I say, friend, do you think I'll ever get there? Oh, but he just stands there smiling back at me. So I confess my sins to the preacher about the love I've been praying to find. Staring round, I'm in my future. Oh, he says you got nothing but time. But how do you wait forever? Then who has that much time? She's got a pretty little bare feet hanging on the window and they're heading out to Vegas tonight. I've been 18 years to stop and walk away. I met a ponytail girl, grew up to be a woman, and she's gone in a blink of an eye. She left her skirts in her pocket and her clothes hanging out in the light. She left her skirts in her pocket and her clothes hanging out in the light. She was in her backyard, say it was a little past 9 when her prince pulled up a white pickup truck, plenty old enough, and you can't stop love, and you can't friend stop, and you can't stop love. Taking seats on the front porch, hanging, looking out on a vacant field. Used to be filled with burning tobacco, now he knows him never will. Brother found work in Indiana, sister's a nurse at the old folks home. Mama still cooking too much for supper and me. I've been a long time gone, been a long time gone. No, I ain't got a rose since I don't know when. Long time gone, and it ain't coming back to the place that old church piano, sitting down under daddy's farm. Somewhere stopped the beat together. No, I never meant it to her heart. She said she could hear me singing in a choir. Me, I found another song. I can't win and went out and running at me. I've been a long time gone. Well, long time gone. No, I ain't had a prayer since I don't know when. Long time gone, and it ain't coming back. Now me, I went to Nashville, trying to read a big, trying to be on Broadway, getting on the highway, leaving from a deep job, sleeping in my car, looking my guitar, and I'm gonna be now me until you sing it every Sunday, watching the children.